Hi, nurses, ReMar nurses. It's Stacey Ann, your YouTube person, Natalie Harrison, aka Smash That Like Button. I just came on to tell you the good news. It paid off. Oh my God. When I tell you I studied faithfully and prayed over everything. It's such a great feeling. I just found out. Okay, so I can't tell you how good I studied. I studied. Like, I studied to the part where I can't even share my book. Look, I write everywhere in my book. When I tell you, this is not the kind of book that I can give someone else to study from, because I had somebody look in my book and say, Stacey Ann, I took a look in your book and I thought I was going to have a stroke. No. I took all the notes I possibly could. Went over my V2 videos all the time, day in and day out. Got in front of that computer, and when I say I prayed, and I'm like, all right, God, you got this. Everything is left up to you now. And it paid off. I'm a ReMar nurse. I'm a safe nurse. I'm an LPN. Woo! I would just want to thank you guys for the motivation, just for being such a great professor. And like, without you all, I would not. I mean, this and this. I mean, I got a folder in here, but it's that beautiful face right there. Okay. All paid off. I'm so excited. I get to sleep in tonight. Okay. Yeah. I just want to say thank you for everything, and God be the glory. I have, what can I say? Thank you for everything, and I'm just so excited. I have that 3 letters at the end of my name. So smash that like button. All right, love you guys. Thank you so much.